Welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. So, guys, I had a laptop. It was a MacBook, but then it kind of broke and stuff. So for replacement, I got this Samsung Chromebook 3. So Oli also has a Chromebook. So Oli, can you tell how your Chromebook is?
My Chromebook's like the normal Chromebook's not the 3. It's like the first version of the Chromebook. It's not from Samsung, but it's good. So it's like average.
So I'm pretty excited to unbox this. So this is
my batteries last for 15 hours.
Really?
That's a lot.
That
For just a little Chromebook.
It's like it will never die. So this is the box right here. You can see front, and this is the back. Samsung. So that's all that's on the box, and now let's get unboxing. So over here on the charger, it says Samsung logo. It's black, and here's the pin.
That's the pin. On my one, it's fatter, but the pin, it fits inside like that.
So now, let's put this here on the side for now. Now let's open up the main thing.
Yeah. This will go like there, and that will go like there.
3, 4. Big reveal. Dun, 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 dun. So guys, this is the Chromebook. Let's go on the back. This is the back. This reminds me of a Chromebook I've used in school. It had like the exact same texture and everything.
So here's, plugged it in.
I remember it was a very nice Chromebook. Now let's open it up.
Oh, that's really packed.
Whoa, that looks nice. The color of it's like a space green, like titanium-ish, which looks very cool. It's like,
and the tabs, they're like thin than the original normal Chromebook. It's thin.
So let's open it up.
17% goes 1 hour and 35.
No, it says it has 1 hour.
That's the benefit. You do not need any setup. Now you click on Chrome browser, you're all set to go.
Yeah, if I go here, automatically, it already knows what I'm on.
Okay.
It already knows everything.
Yeah. And one more thing is, do you see this search button over here? This one? Press it, you get
Whoa,
here.
I didn't know
And
that.
this is not in the normal Chromebook. The normal Chromebook is right now here. So you can just come here
and get stuff for Google automatically without typing.
Go all apps. This is all the apps right now.
Oh, this is gonna be useful. Like over here, like it has different stuff. Like
You have
movies.
files, YouTube, Google Maps.
I could just easily
Google
access
Keep.
it. Yeah,
It's
so
good.
I guess I already knew. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video.
Please subscribe to our channel and please
like
like
this
this video.
video.
Bye.